lovely, right? It doesn't look synthetic at all. Hope you guys are doing great. Yeah, guys, I am fine. Thank you so much, gorgeous, for tuning in. If it's your first time here, bienvenue. You are welcome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Before we start, if you like it here, gorgeous, why not click on that subscribe button if you haven't already, and that bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload video. Yes, to my OGs. All that introduction be done, let's get to business while we are here. Today I'm sharing with you guys 3 wigs. I mean 3 wigs. They are from SHEIN. Yes, these wigs, they are synthetic. They are synthetic wigs. I don't want to waste your time, gorgeous, so they are here. So we're just going to pop this on to see. I have their names are not written anyway, but this one is 16 inches. Ooh, you can see. I'll bring them out. What's the inches of this one? It's not written on it. Okay, it's 12 inches. Okay, I think it's it's not written on it. It's not 12 inches. SHEIN. Why now? Why? I told you guys that when you are sending a wig to me, you should like put the inches. Okay, it's more easier for me. By the way, this video is sponsored by SHEIN. SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. We really appreciate. So guys, this one is how many inches? This one 26 inches. Okay, this one is 26 inches. I'm going to put all the information on the description box, so if you like anyone, don't hesitate to dash to the description box, because you guys remember the last synthetic wig I review with you guys, they were bomb, and I know this one, they are not going to be left out. Okay, let me bring the first one out. Guys, this is hey. Okay, now just look at this. This one reminds me of how will I put it? You guys know all these lawyer hats. It's just like those lawyer hats. It's brown, but I don't know why it's showing black. Anyway, the color is brown. You guys can see it is brown. It is shining. Are you in love? I'm in love. Okay, this is the first one. So let me open the other one for you guys. All right, let's see this one. Let's see this one. This one is Afro. Guys, look at this one. Hey, it's taking space. So we love it. The inside. Okay, we'll come to that. Let me open the other one. Is a bang. Now you guys know I love my bangs. Guys, look at it. It's lovely. It's just giving the color right here. My camera tried to just pick the color. Look at it. Okay, guys, we're going to try them on. You guys know all this week you don't need glue, you don't need anything, you just pop them on and you are good to go. That is what we are in for this summer. I'll be right back. So guys, we are going to try this one first. I can't really wait to try it on. It's so big, so big. All right, in case this is how the inside look like. You see the inside of it. It came with inbuilt adjustable strap. Okay, let's wear this. I'm curious. I don't know how this is going to look. Anyway, let's go. Oh la la. Oh la la. Oh my gosh. Do you guys know I've been seeing this? I have seen people wear this wig before. I was like, this wig is beautiful. I never knew it's from SHEIN, and it's synthetic. It doesn't look like synthetic. This is just like human hair. I don't know, let me zoom back. Oh my gosh, this is mighty. This is mighty. I just need to like trim a little from it. The front, I don't know if I like the front like this. This one that is just covering the whole of my face. Guys, we just need to like position this, okay? It has comb, okay, to secure it. Can you guys see the back? How does it look? Because me, I'm not seeing the back. You guys should tell me how the back look, okay? And this is the front. Funny enough, I love it. I'm coming. Maybe I should go and put on big earrings. So guys, this is it with earring on. It's beginning to make sense. I really love it. I don't know. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling this vibe, guys. Should I trim from my earring? What do you guys think? Hey. I really love this. I don't know. So this is the first one, the first wig. If you love big wigs like this, French people will say the gizmo. I was thinking I picked black. I don't know. I picked black and this color, and they sent me only this color. Although this color is not bad, I love it. I think I would prefer the black. But this is, I just wanted to like try the two on, black and this one, but they sent only this one. Anyway, so if you like it, the link will be on the description, so check it out. So guys, you're going to try this one on. These are sponge. This is how the inside look like. All right, this can resist heat in case if you want to like turn the front, it resists heat, so you can do that. Let me wear this one on so that we see. Hey, they can't stop to abuse me. You can see it's not tangling. It brushed very well without tangling. You guys know synthetic hair can tangle, but this one no tangling. The last one I did the other time, I did not trim from the front. This thing was just so perfect, but this one, I'm coming. Let me twist it. Then trim from the front. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing you need to do. Just that if it's too long, you just have to trim from the front. Look at it. It's lovely. I really like it. You guys can see. It doesn't look synthetic at all. Trimming from the front really make it more equal and more reasonable. Okay, so you don't need to do anything. You just pop this on and you are good to go. Yeah, so that is it for this one. Don't forget, the link will be on the description, so if you are interested, you just check it out. If you are lazy that you cannot like tongue your hair, this is for you. People like me, this is for us. It's lovely. That's the way it's bouncing. All right, let me try the last one on. So guys, this is the last one. Let's wear this. This is the inside. Let me show you guys how the inside is. You can see. Okay, it's like the other ones. Came with combs and inbuilt adjustable strap. Is there any strap? Okay, yes. Inbuilt adjustable strap at the back. This one is so funny to me, but never mind. Let's try it on. Okay. Okay. Guys, is this how it should look? I don't really know. Maybe this is how it should look. I can't stop laughing. Let me hook it first. Okay, maybe this is how it should look. Should we cut the front or we should leave it like this? If we trim it too short, it will not be fine. Let me shift this backward a little. Does it make sense this way? No. Let me bring it up a little. Okay. Let me bring it forward a little. What do you guys think? It's not my best, but you can do with it. Okay, I don't know whether they can comb it out or we should lose the coils. If we lose the coils, how is it going to be? It's beginning to make sense. Yeah, now it's beginning to make sense. Okay. I really love it. I love it this way. It's beautiful. All right guys, so that is it. If you like this hair, the link will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check it out. They are from SHEIN and they are synthetic. They are so beautiful. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Today, remember, just ciao.